and welcome to the maiden edition of SPS Bulletin of St. Peter's School, Faridabad, taking legacy forward. St. Peter's School began its journey in 1993 and has continued with a legacy of excellence for 31 years. Let us take you through the journey of starting this channel. Principal Sister Janet, team of faculty members and students began a series of discussion that paved the way for this news channel. Through this channel, we will bring you the latest initiatives of the management, faculty and students. On May 27, Veterans bid farewell to former principal Sister Nirmal Medi and the three retired faculty members, Mrs. Archana Sethi, Mrs. Seema Rana and Mrs. Seema Sharma ma'am. We are grateful for their contribution to the Veteran community and wish them the best for their future endeavours. On July 1st, Sister Janet assumed the charge of principal. Her love for children is evident in every interaction, whether it's with the student council members or a kindergarten child. Her warm smile endears her to everyone. With her fresh concepts and ideas, and with a robust team comprising of Staff Secretary Mrs. Renuka Singh, teaching and non-teaching staff, she is committed to upholding the legacy set by her predecessors, a fact that should reassure us all of a bright future for our school.
Hello everyone, I am Sister Janet CMC, the new principal of St. Peter's School, Faridabad. I am so excited to be the part of this institution. Today, I am so delighted to launch our own school news channel, SPS Bulletin. This will serve as the platform to celebrate our achievements, highlight our updates, highlight the incredible talents of students and staff. Dear friends, always remember our school motto, let your light shine. Welcome you to all this new venture.
St. Peter's School Management believes in marching ahead with time, with an eco-friendly approach and a vision for sustainable future. Solar panels were installed on the rooftop for uninterrupted power supply to the entire school. This gave a fillip to install air conditioners in all the classrooms. Under the incredible leadership of manager Sister Anina Jacob and her team, this humongous task was accomplished. The school is dedicated to the holistic development of students with a strong focus on academics. The introduction of mentoring, reflective practices, and innovative pedagogical techniques is already making a positive impact. Mrs. M.N. Kavita Lonkar as academic coordinator and Sister Rose Rani as assistant coordinator are in charge of these areas, fostering a culture of continuous learning and growth among the students and faculty members. A fine combination of academics with activities raises the self-esteem of students. At St. Peter's School, we believe in providing a creative platform to students to hone their talents in myriad ways. Student clubs function every Saturday and create a joyful ambience to nurture young minds. The smiles on the faces of the student says it all. Good Samaritan, ecology, public speaking, home science, music, digital, Yuva tourism, performing arts, fitness club, Aryabhatta, creative writing, self-defense, optimist explorers, theatre club, cater to varied domains of student talent. Clearly, it's a mind space where creativity blossoms. The annual exhibition, Minds in Motion, which was held on 13 July, came alive with teeming ideas and concepts. Fine Arts Department was in the limelight for aesthetic presentation of paintings, wall hangings, life paintings and many more. If the Science Pavilion showcased innovation like traffic sensors, electricity generation using vegetable juice, smart helmet, English literature was not far behind with an enactment of Mark Antony's speech and other projects. Hindi and Sanskrit languages came alive with art-integrated projects. French department provided the much-needed insight into the language through their models. The Social Science Pavilion ensured that visitors left with a taste of Manipur and Haryana. IT Pavilion exhibited models on AI, robots, and other aspects of IT. Art integrated models in Maths Pavilion on Pythagoras theorems, fractions, and other difficult concepts attracted the visitors. Transforming mind is an inherent aspect of education. Batarians participated in Resolution 2024 Model United Nations held at Delhi Public School, Sector 19, Faridabad. MUN helps young leaders to enhance their understanding of global issues and also find solutions to the problems. It also helps young delegates gain insight into the international diplomacy. This year, our school bagged 2 titles. Ms. Ayushi Rana of grade 10th was honored with the title of the Most Spirited Delegate, and Ms. Tanisha Dhal of grade 10th was honored with the title of Special Verbal Mention. Shiksha Saptaha activities added great vibrancy to the teaching-learning process. Plethora of themes suggested by CBSE brought to the fore innovation and creativity of students, teachers, and all the stakeholders. If Day 1 activities reflected upon the TLMs through chart making, mask making, or thumb painting, Day 2 came alive with FLN activities. Sports was the focus for Day 3 activities, while cultural program celebrating diversity dominated the 4th day of Shiksha Saptaha. The focus on skill building among students was emphasized on Day 5 with panel discussions and the science fair. Day 6 aimed at tree plantation drive in the school and the neighbouring community. Community work and charity work remained the hallmark events of Day 7. On 20th July, Peace Education Program #Praying for Soldier was observed in the school campus. Chavra Culture Center, New Delhi, spearheaded this event to sensitize the student community about working for peace and harmony in the nation. Reverend Dr. Father Robbie, CMI, the director of Chavra Cultural Center, organized an interreligious prayer. Dr. Daniel addressed the students on the incredible diversity of our nation and guided them to inculcate the spirit of brotherhood. That's all from the SPS Bulletin Desk for now. We will be back soon with more news from our campus. Stay tuned to SPS Bulletin, taking legacy forward. Good day from Team SPS Bulletin.